Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. Today in this video we are going to see one of the most beautiful and simple dungaree style romper for babies. The required fabric for this project is 1 meter. So now let's get into the video. Firstly, I'll show you how to cut the bottom portion for the romper. Just fold the fabric by half in width, then fold it one more time. And these are all open side. So the required length is 20 inch, which includes seam allowance for folding at the bottom. Extend these points. Now from here mark 1 inch for elastic. So from here mark 1 inch for folding at the bottom. This is folded side. From this point mark 7 inch your baby's hip measurement divided by 4 plus 1 inch. Then join these points. Now from here draw a slight curve. Now from the folded side mark 4.5 inch for the bottom and join this here. With this marking is complete, now I am going to cut it. So this is how it looks. I have taken 4 strips, each having 2 layers. So length of the strip is 19 inch. This is my measurement and you can change this according to your requirement. So just make a stitch here. By leaving one side, for all the 3 sides make a stitch. Then for the bottom portion, fold it twice and make a stitch at the inner edge. Similarly, I will repeat the same procedure for the other side also. You can see I have finished attaching. Now, I'll stitch here. I finished both the sides. Now, just place the fabric exactly like this. And make a stitch here. Then for the top portion of the pant, fold it twice and leave some half-inch space for inserting the elastic, then sew it. After attaching this, now This is the top portion. Just fold it twice, then make a stitch. I finished attaching. Now you can see there is a gap here. I have taken an elastic and width of the elastic is 16.5 inch. Take 4 to 5 inch less than your baby's waist size. This is 16.5 inch. Now using the safety pin, I am inserting the elastic with the pant. Overlap both the elastic and make a stitch. Now adjust it and secure the elastic by making a stitch at the inner edge. After that, make a top stitch so the elastic never turns. With this bottom portion stitching is complete, this is how it looks. I have finished attaching here as well as here. Now I'll show you the top portion. For that, I have taken some leftover fabric. Place the fabric exactly here. These are 2 layers and mark the hip measurement. Now, from this point, mark 7 inch and here also same. Then extend these points. Now cut it. From the top, mark 1.5 inch or 2 inch, depends on you. Then join this here. After that, cut it. And also for the front portion, I am folding some 1 inch and I am trimming it. So this is for front portion and back portion. Fold the raw edges inside and make a stitch for all the 3 sides, for both front and the back portion. Similarly, repeat the same for the back portion. This is the front portion. I am just placing the right side fabric here and make a stitch. Similarly, for the back portion, just turn this and lay the fabric here and make a stitch. Similarly, finish for the front portion as well. I finished attaching. Now I am placing this here and I will make a stitch. Just fold the fabric and mark the center and place it at the center of the pant and start making stitch. Now for the other side also repeat the same. So this is how it looks. I have finished attaching for both front and back portion. Now I have taken the strips I'll make a stitch here. I finished attaching. Just give a small cuts and turn this inside out. So this is how it looks. Now fold the raw edges inside and make a stitch at the edge. I finished attaching. You can see 2 strips here. Now I'll show you how to attach this with the fabric. Just place this here and take this strip and place it here and make a stitch. Similarly for the other side also make a stitch. This is for the back portion. And for the front portion, I'll attach the buttons on the strips and buttonholes on the front portion fabric. So just place this at the back portion and make a stitch. Similarly, repeat the same for the other side as well. I finished attaching. With this, my stitching is complete. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching.